सिंडारोव का भाई जो इस टाइम फॉर्म है ना, एवरीबडी शुड बी अ लिटिल बिट अफ्रेड. ही इज द ट्रू विजेता ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. अगर कल मैच होता है विशी एंड मैग्नस इन दिस टूर्नामेंट, दिस फॉर्मेट, हु डू यू थिंक इज फेवरेट?
Guys, today I have the pleasure of having with me one of India's best podcasters and the best chess podcaster. I can be sure about that. Prakhar bhai, hello.
Hello भाई, hello. Always happy to be in service of chess. Always happy to meet with you and talk with you भाई. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Bhai, where are you? Blue sky, greenery out there.
मैं शाहरुख खान के सपने में हूँ भाई. मैं 90s के शाहरुख खान के सपने में हूँ और एक काजोल आएगी भागते हुए भाई.
You are married, so that in the dreams you shouldn't forget.
Yeah. No. That Kajol is my wife.
But it
भाई
looks
पिटवाओगे आप भाई.
beautiful, yeah. Where you are? कहाँ पे हो?
So there is this place called Montmartre, which is a district in Paris, and उसमें ना ये basilica is at the top of a hill. It's a church, and what it does is it gives you a very solid view of the city decoration.
Oh, wow. And what a beautiful place to do our video, because we are going to talk about Global Chess League that is happening, the Tech Mahindra Global Chess League, and one of India's biggest events. And I think it's just amazing that it's happening. Last year was in Mumbai. इस साल बैंगलोर में हो रहा है.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Mahindra. Thank you so much for doing this. Gaurav bhai, amazing commissioner. I think this league is very exciting. मैं likely आ भी रहा हूँ भाई, आपको मिलूंगा भी मैं.
अच्छा.
कुछ ना कुछ तो कमेंट्री करेंगे ना भाई. Anything. बैंगलोर का फ्लाइट 3 घंटा, बैंगलोर से वेन्यू 3 घंटा हो जाएगा.
It will be a lot of fun if you are there. But before we, come to this event which starts on 3rd of September, I want to get your thoughts on which team is your favorite. So I have made a small tier list where we have like favorites to win, dark horses, will do well but not win, will not perform well at all. Bhai, you have to go through the teams and tell me what you feel.
भाई honestly, first choice जो है ना ये वाली टीम. This team is star-studded, and by star-studded, I want to point to a specific man in the photograph whose name is Vidit Gujrati, Arjun Awardee.
भाई ये तो आपने ऐसे flip कर दिया. I was waiting for Magnus Carlsen.
Well, Magnus has been waiting for Vidit Gujrati. So, भाई ये team actually it is tied through and through. I mean, Magnus on board 1, undefeatable. Anish also undefeatable in his own way, although he's known for pulling more draws. But मेरे को लगता है बहुत solid board 2, Vidit बहुत solid board 3. Both Humpy and Divya extremely talented players, extremely top of their game stuff right now. And Murzin also on the Prodigy board. I think this team is my favorite to win, although it will be the most obvious choice to win for most people.
Wow. Okay, let me then put them in the tier of favorites to win. Do you think like this Anish and Vidit ka friendship, and then
It's going to come in the way.
It's a very good thing. And then Anish and Magnus का थोड़ा सा ऐसे Twitter battles, wars over the years.
But Anish is such a character, man. I mean, if there is a chess brand that is consistently entertaining without having to make content, it's Anish. The personality speaks for itself.
Okay, next one is the team of
Okay.
the World Championship challenger, Tindaro. Then they have Dubov and Nihal, and then Bibisara, Sara Khadem, and Mark Andrea Morizzi.
तो I mean, देखो पहली बात तो this team is owned by my friend Prachura. So Prachura को मैं ज्यादा ऐसे वो कर नहीं पाऊंगा. But I think Sindarov, Bibisara, fantastic combination. Sindarov का जो form है ना भाई,
Are you
at
saying
least
fantastic combination as chess players or as a couple?
whichever thing the chess audience likes more. Because it's so unique कि Bibisara और Sindarov के relationship में कितने लोग interested हैं. It has become quite a thing, no?
When Sindar was winning the candidates, उसके games की तो सब लोग चर्चा कर ही रहे थे. But how after the game he would do hi-fi to Bibisara, वो दोनों कैसे चल के जा रहे हैं? People were so excited.
This is a very very young team भाई. मतलब देखो सिंडारोव का भाई जो इस टाइम फॉर्म है ना, everybody should be a little bit afraid. ठीक है, जो उसने कैंडिडेट्स में किया है, इट लुक लाइक अ राउट. एक एंड से एक ट्रैक्टर चल रहा है, उखाड़ रहा है. डुबो केपेबल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस, वेरी वेरी गुड ऑन द बोर्ड, स्पेशली जहां पे लोग बहुत प्रिपेयर करके नहीं आते ना. ही हैज लाइक एलिमेंट ऑफ सरप्राइज. सेम विद निहाल. मतलब निहाल कब 3500 लेवल खेलेगा और कब 2500 लेवल खेलेगा ना, क्लियर नहीं होता. बिबिसारा ऑब्वियसली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फीमेल प्लेयर्स. सारा खादेम आई एम नॉट वेरी अक्वेंटेड विद, एंड जो प्रोडिजी बोर्ड पे उनसे भी अक्वेंटेड नहीं हूं. बट फ्रॉम अ यंग पीपल पीओवी आई थिंक आई विल पुट इट डार्क हॉर्स, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं पता लगेगा. दीज गाइज आर वेरी फ्रेश ऑन द बोर्ड.
Dark horses, and they could win.
They could.
Okay, going to the next team. This team is kind of filled with experience. मतलब पहले 3 बोर्ड पे ऐसा है कि कोई भी आइकन बोर्ड पे खेल सकता था. लेवॉन भी, नेपो भी, डोमिंगस भी.
Actually true. मतलब मेरे को लगता है लेवॉन throughout his career has remained understated as one of the best. मतलब so solid on the board, attacking to attacking, open positions, close positions. Like Levon is the dark horse overall for me and has always been throughout his career. Fantastic. पता है actually सागर भाई इसमें ना मैं dark horse और will play well but will not win में थोड़ा confused हूँ because ये ना age की वजह से जीत सकते हैं. Like the experience they have combined on the board. And for a tournament that is generally on the lighter side, बहुत prep नहीं है. Instinct can take over. One mistake can cause upsets in a team event. Again, आप नेपो को भी अंडरस्टेट नहीं कर सकते.
Correct.
उसकी किस्मत ऐसी रही है पर वो क्या फाइटर प्लेयर है.
तो हम वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बन के ही छोड़ेगा इस जन्म में.
He is the true Vegeta of this world. उसको ऐसा है कि मैं करके ही रहूंगा and then he comes so close. मैं थोड़ा ना बाकी ऑप्शंस के लिए वरीड हूँ, सबको डार्क हॉर्स में ना रख दूं, तो इसको मैं I will like to keep in, will play well but will not win. Although I would be very wrong, ये डार्क हॉर्स हो सकता है. It's a 50-50 for me.
Putting the Nepo team in will do well but not win. And then we come to the team which I believe is one of the favorites of many of the Indian fans because it has Vishy Anand on the icon board and Arjun Erigaisi is also there.
I'm just curious, how does a FIDE president lose a tournament? That just cannot happen. Vishy sir, how is that going to happen? पता है जब मेरे से लोग ना सागर भाई कभी ऐसे सचिन तेंदुलकर की बात करते हैं ना तो मैं उन्हें विशी सर का मैं बोलता हूँ सचिन तेंदुलकर is to cricketers what विशी सर is to me. तो मैं क्या analogy दूँ? How can I say विशी सर can be anywhere except like favorite? आज if I have had this part of my life so rich and so profound, it is because of him in so many ways. तो मेरे लिए तो सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यू प्लस अर्जुन, ओ माय गॉड. सागर भाई पता है मेरे को लगता है अर्जुन का करियर ना अभी ढंग से स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ है. हिज ब्रांड ऑफ चेस इज आग लगता है मेरे को उसका ब्रांड ऑफ चेस.
Recently in EWC when Magnus had to choose between Arjun and Nihal as his opponent, वो बोला मैं निहाल चूज करता हूँ क्योंकि अर्जुन बहुत टफ ओपोनेंट है खेलने को, लाइक इवन फॉर मैग्नस.
एंड टू थिंक कि इस लड़के ने 11 साल की उम्र में चेस खेलना शुरू किया था और ये भी 21-22 साल का भी नहीं है शायद. इसने 10 साल में 0 to 2800 स्पीड रन कर दिया है. लेवी has been doing it for his life. इसके कंटेम्पररीज इतने बढ़िया हैं और ये उनसे भी बढ़िया है. तो आई थिंक ऑन 2 boards आई एम वेरी वेरी सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस टीम. आई कैन नॉट कमेंट ऑन द लास्ट 3 boards आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस विद. एंड आल्सो ऑन बोर्ड 2 आई थिंक दिस
यास्कान एडोगमस.
हाँ अच्छा ये एडोगमस है. ओके,
ही इज इन चर्चा थ्रूआउट द चेस वर्ल्ड. द
एडोगमस ओके,
यंगेस्ट एवर 2700.
I would put it between dark horse and favorites to win. Favorites because sentimental value, dark horse because the young players and the last 3 boards, I don't know how that will shape up. But between Arjun and Vishy, this is got.
Women player दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा किया GCL में. नीनो एंड कैटरीना एंड अभिमन्यु मिश्रा is also like this is a very strong team. Last 3 boards पे भी.
That might actually be a good point. मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ favorites to win में डाल देना चाहिए.
Let's go. Okay. So Vishy and Magnus का team favorites to win में है अभी.
Honestly, to date, अगर कल मैच होता है Vishy and Magnus in this tournament, this format, who do you think is favorite?
I think Magnus is a favorite for sure.
Right.
But you know, Vishy somehow कभी-कभी उनको हरा, like you know, अभी just Hong Kong में 2 महीने पहले Vishy got a +3 position against Magnus and then he lost. So he's still there. You know, उनको he's putting him under pressure.
All players at this age generally retire and lose 100 rating points. Vishy के साथ वो हो ही नहीं रहा है.
नहीं.
He's so sharp. He's so sharp.
He's
Oh my
training.
God.
I'm pretty sure being a FIDE president, he's training chess, he's teaching kids, he's doing all sorts of things.
He's a juggernaut, bhai. He's a juggernaut.
Okay, then we go to a team. Why this one is very interesting from GCL history because ये टीम पहला दूसरा दोनों एडिशन जीते, तीसरे में पूरा बढ़िया खेल के they lost in the finals. So Triveni Continental Kings with Firuza, Wei, Arvind at the top boards, then Zuziner, Kostenyuk and Pranav V at the Prodigy board.
So जो the female players stand out, fantastic combination. I think वहाँ पे ये लोग बहुत strong रहेंगे. वे ही again उसका जो level of chess है, जितना technical वो है, जिस तरीके की positions वो grind out कर सकता है ना, he is not to be understated either. Ali Reza, I think markedly, I think this is a controversial opinion. I think the Ali Reza phase is a little bit over. I think there is a lot of distraction there. And वो बीच में जो hype था ना that he's the next Magnus, he still has instinct for that. But मेरे को as a fan ऐसा लगने लगा है कि यार come on, now it's time to deliver Ali Reza. You know what I'm saying? He had 2850 potential. How's he rated currently? 27 something,
He's
27
around 2750.
Ali Reza is a very strong player. Don't get me wrong. I think deserves to be on the iconic board at what 23, 24, 25 is fantastic. I think Dark Horses is where I'd put it primarily for its lower three strength. Arvind's a great player again, but I would put it at Dark Horses, this team.
Okay, interesting.
By the way, मैं एक बार बोलना चाहता हूँ भाई, मैं ना सिर्फ फैन हूँ, मेरे को इतनी अकल नहीं है. अगर किसी को ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि भाई प्रखर कुछ भी बोल रहा है, तो हाँ प्रखर कुछ भी बोल रहा है. मैं पहले ही क्लियर कर देता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक फैन हूँ, ठीक है. मैं सारे गेम्स फॉलो नहीं
कर रहा हूँ.
करता.
Analyzing is very interesting for the fans who are watching कि हाँ ये you're thinking as someone who loves chess.
भाई लेकिन सही बताओ सागर भाई, मैं आई एम स्टूपिड अबाउट इट. आई कैन फॉलो मे बी 10 गेम्स इन अ मंथ लार्जली, ऊपर से वो भी ऑन अ गुड मंथ. तो हाउ पीपल आर प्लेइंग करंटली एंड व्हाट मीडिया परसेप्शन आई हैव ऑफ अली रेजा व्हिच इज नॉट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ हिज एक्चुअल स्ट्रेंथ. I could be very
But
wrong.
you are right that Ali Reza became like the news in the world of chess in 2020, 21. You know, everyone was
Right.
talking कि he's the next big thing. But the
Right.
funny thing is, he's 2003 born, तो वो अभी 23 साल का ही है. ऐसे लगता है
Right,
वो
right,
बहुत
right.
बड़ा हो गया है. But actually,
Right.
it's just that very young he peaked.
And I still think he has 100 more rating points in him soon. But जैसे बीच में ये उसके कपड़ों को लेके, उसके जूतों को लेके, then all that noise.
He was in the
At the
fashion वाला.
So as a person as a fan who's placing his bet now, a simpler approach of a Arjun to me is much more striking. To reach 2900 pushing level, 2850 pushing level, 2830 pushing level, you require a level of just non-media distraction.
Okay, भाई last team, the upgrade Mumbai Masters, MVL, Mamed Yarov, Fedosiev, Carissa Yip, Daneshwar Bardia, and Harika, who recently won 2 golds at Asian Rapid and Blitz.
I think ये बोलने के बाद मेरे को रोनी सुबीवाला सर का फोन आएगा कि तूने क्यों किया. ऐसा नहीं है प्लेयर कोई कमी है, लेकिन अगर मैं 1:1 पिट करने लगूं ना, I think there are better teams. I think there are better teams. MVL also मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा सा past his peak है. You know, he was like 3 years ago, he was a monster on the board. पर मैं बहुत टाइम से कुछ सुना नहीं. But I really enjoyed watching MVL in his peak कि कुछ भी हो रहा है बोर्ड पे.
हाँ, वो मैग्नस को हराते थे regularly, like he would beat.
Right. Him and Levon were at a certain point as good.
Correct.
Maybe 10 points below Magnus. That's what I think. I think this team will not do very well. But I would keep it in will perform well, will not win category.
अच्छा, not in the bottom, yeah, भाई.
भाई पता हूँ जो लोअर 4 टीम्स है ना, दे विल हैव अ कंपटीशन जहाँ पे, बिकॉज बोर्ड इवेंट्स में ना जहाँ टीम इवेंट्स होते हैं वहाँ स्प्लिटिंग पॉइंट्स 3.5 2.5 इन पॉसिबिलिटीज और 1-1 2-2 बीच के बोर्डों के गेम से बहुत डिसाइड होता है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक वन टीम विल बी राउटेड आउट कंप्लीटली.
फिर भाई this is a very very well formed tier list, gives an idea कि भाई Magnus and Vishy's team favorites, then Sindarov and Firuza at Dark Horses, and then will do well Nepo, but not win में Nepo and MVL. Nice, very well built.
Thank you. I've tried.
Must
As a chess
be.
connoisseur in France, I've tried.
Final question. We are asking people कि what is it that GCL में हो, you know, something this year which would make it very exciting. What would be your feeling? क्योंकि it's the fourth year.
I'll tell you. I think we should take the most iconic chess player of all time and put him on the most iconic podcast of all time, right in the middle of GCL. Okay, and we should have the most iconic chess player speak to the most iconic podcast, and through that to the most iconic chess fan base in the world, which is the Indian chess fan base. And let's have that conversation. Let's ask him what he thinks about Vishy. Let's ask him what he thinks about the young players and how he thinks they will change. How he thinks they'll change chess. मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ. मेरा तो सपना इतना छोटा सा है.
Magnus Carlsen on PGX would be crazy, भाई.
It would be crazy, भाई. मैंने लगता है ज्यादा फेंक दिया थोड़ा.
But अगर हो गया भाई ये, that would be epic. And so if Magnus says yes, you would take the next flight from wherever you are and come down to Bangalore.
Once in a lifetime thing. मतलब I think about my work. One of the most fantastic things is I get many once in a lifetime events. And Magnus on my show, I'm manifesting. What a great conversation that will be.
भाई ये हो गया तो that would be epic. Thank you so much Prakhar bhai for doing this also
Thank you,
in
bhai.
your busy schedule in Paris. Very very
No
grateful.
problem, bye. Thank you, bye.